In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Amazon Prime Gaming. First, you'll want to head over to gaming.amazon.com. This is the dedicated Prime Gaming website where all the magic happens. Now, if you don't already have this link bookmarked, you might want to do that since it's your go-to hub for everything related to Prime Gaming. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in using your Amazon Prime credentials. Simply enter your email and password associated with your Amazon Prime account. If you're already signed in on your device, this step might be automatically skipped for you. It's important to emphasize that you need an Amazon Prime membership, as Prime Gaming is one of the fantastic perks included in that subscription package. After entering your details, it's possible that the system might ask you to confirm your country or region. This step ensures that your Amazon account is set in a location where Prime Gaming is available. Sometimes discrepancies happen, so double-check your account settings to avoid any issues down the line. A quick confirmation will save you from potential headaches later. Now that you're signed in and set up, here comes the fun part: claiming your gaming rewards. As a Prime Gaming member, you're entitled to a variety of awesome freebies every month. These include free games, exclusive in-game loot for some of your favorite titles, and unique Twitch benefits. Take your time to browse through the available options and select the rewards that catch your interest. They often rotate, so keep an eye out for new updates. When claiming these rewards, ensure that your gaming accounts, for platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, are linked appropriately with your Amazon account. This will make the process smoother and ensure everything syncs as it should. Instructions or prompts are usually provided, but if you run into any snags, you can always head to the help section on the Prime Gaming site for additional guidance. To wrap it up, Amazon Prime Gaming is an excellent resource for gamers looking to enrich their gaming experience with freebies and bonuses. Remember, as long as you maintain your Amazon Prime subscription, you'll continue to enjoy these perks. So be sure to check back regularly, as the offerings change frequently, and you wouldn't want to miss out on any of the exciting new content. With that, you're all set to dive into the world of Prime Gaming. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.